Good evening to everyone. I'm glad to be a part of this association for women empowerment and child development. And I thank you for inviting me to felicitate this wonderful event. The best production any woman can have is courage. Yes, courage in every woman make them to do anything and move them into great victory. For an example, I have started my business in 2017 and my motto is to providing the people good health and through healthy products and the awareness to the people about personal personal care, parenting, self development, menstruation matters, entrepreneurial training, etc. The vision of this forum is enhance women to participate and influence in the society in the right manner. And the mission of this forum is to educate the and empower women to focus on professional and personal development. A woman is need to be an independent in every situation, but due to the family situation and in circumstances, some women is not able to showcase their talent. Through their talent, a woman can develop their themselves as well as to develop the society. A woman can start a business with their talents and they can help to make develop their family and children's eventually other women's. So here is the platform and it's the light of the life of every women's. So according to that, we'll join together and use this common platform for women, identify their potential women and make them successful in society. Will support in various fields like physical and mental health, education, women entrepreneurial development, empowering women, women harassment, eradicating the women harassment, women legal rights and career guidance and extracurricular activities. A good start is always half done. Yes, we'll join together and make a great change. Once again, wish I wish to thank Subhatra ma'am and a special thanks to You Trust Association for Women Empowerment and Child Development. Thank you, everyone.